next stop of our river tour. And what you're looking at right down here is the famous quartz boulder. I don't think I'll get a chance to show you what it looks like from underneath, but it's a huge quartz boulder that was wedged between two rocks here by a flood, we presume. It's a measure of how big the floods can really be after heavy rains here. But if you look downstream, you can see that the river goes through 100 meters of what they call narrows. It's where you have a rocky chute that flanks the river on either side, so that if you want to come up through it, you have to walk and swim through the river itself. There's no shoreline to walk on. Either right here or nearby here is one of the major barriers to the upstream dispersal of fish. So if you go far downstream from here, and actually not too far, a couple hundred meters, you'll find the tetras and the cichlids and the wolffish and other types of predators. It's a fairly diverse fish community, but when you look upstream, you're confronted with a much simpler fish community. Above this point, the only thing that we can find is the catfish in the genus Ramdia, and eel-like fish in the genus Symbrancus, the guppy, and the killifish. And as you go further upstream in the main river, the guppy will disappear, and they'll just have the killifish and the catfish. The eel is harder to see, but when we see the catfish, we always suspect that the eel might be there as well. And it's above this point that you have the tributaries where we do our work. And in the tributaries, sometimes you find guppies, but very often there's a barrier waterfall, and above that barrier, the only fish present is the killifish, Rivulus hardeye.